Here I have Samsung Galaxy A8 2019, and let me show you how to flash this device, so how to change, update firmware on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's use the following tutorial from HardReset.info, and here you need to download and unpack the following things: the some firmware and Odin software. So as you can see, I've got everything unpacked here. Now let's open the some firmware right here, and here you need to enter this empty brackets. Let's enter the model number. So in my case is SMA530F. You need to enter your region code, so you can check out your region code by using our tab, the country carrier Samsung tab. Here you need to find your country at first. So as you can see, let's find your country. In my case it's Poland, and let's choose your carrier. I just don't want to use any carrier, I would like to use the open carrier, so let's use the following code, in my case XEO. Let's paste it right here. Choose binary nature, choose auto, choose check CRC32 and decrypt automatically. Now tap check update. The some firmware is looking for the newest possible firmware for that device, and now let's just simply tap download right here. Let's just tap download. The some firmware will be downloading the software. Afterwards the some firmware will check CRC32 and decrypt the following firmware automatically, so you have to just wait until the decryption will be done, and afterwards you should see the following firmware with zipped format. Let's then unpack this firmware. Here I have unpacked firmware right here, and now all you have to do is simply open the Odin software. So let me do it. Find Odin, tap Odin. Alright, this is the Odin application, that's what we need. Now on your device, let's press the power key to switch off the Galaxy A8. Tap power off and tap power off again. Afterwards, when your phone will be completely switched off, let's use the following combination: power key, volume down and volume up. Let's hold down together these three keys for a couple of seconds. Release them as soon as warning pops up. Press volume up to continue, and the download mode just pops up. So now let's connect your device with your PC by using the USB-C cable, and as you can see on your Odin software, the device is added. And now let's load the BL file right here. Choose BL. So let's find your firmware. In my case it's downloads. This is the firmware. Choose BL file. Choose AP file. AP file is the largest one, so you have to wait a couple of seconds, maybe even about 2 minutes or just 1 minute. Alright, the AP file is loaded. Now let's choose CP file and CSC. So here you have to decide if you would like to fully flash your device and accomplish the hard reset operation, or just you would like to keep your personal file and just flash your phone by using Home CSC. So in my case, let me choose Home CSC. Alright, now let's also choose options and make sure that you've got selected auto reboot and factory reset time. Now let's choose start right here. The Galaxy A8 is flashing itself. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, as you can see, the flashing operation is done. Now you may disconnect your device from your PC, so let me do it. The phone is rebooting. Let's wait a few seconds until it will be ready to use. As you can see, the phone is installing the system update. Excellent. As you can see, the home screen pops up. Now you can use your device. So the flash is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.